So guys, after all the fun, it started to rain.
Yes, after all the fun, it started to rain.
Now we're walking home.
We are walking home now. After coming here with a bus,
Literally a 1 minute walk.
we are walking home, exercising.
I'm doing this because it's so rainy.
It's okay, let it rain with you.
My hand is literally
Showers of blessings.
I'm showering.
It's showers of blessings. Come. Oh,
Nobody else supposed to be going to the park.
why not? People will go there later.
Huh?
People will go there later.
Especially if the rain stops.
Maybe, yeah. We need to go on
If
this
the
side.
rain stops in the middle of here, Mum, can we go back?
No. Look at a donkey over there.
Huh?
A donkey. Can you... a horse, sorry. Oh my god.
No donkey.
It's a horse, I forgot.
I say nay.
Where is the fox? Normally there always be a fox here.
I say nay.
And
Nay.
Rachel and all say nay. Rayray say nay. So guys, we are... Come from the road, please. We are walking home from the park. Look, everywhere is just dry at the moment. I think because the sun was so hot. Everywhere is dry. Come on. That rain saved me. We stopped now, but I'm gonna still go home because she... Well, it's wet. Your Crocs need it because... Huh?
Lolly is about to stop.
It's about to stop.
Yeah.
What? The rain?
Yeah.
So what happened?
Yeah, Mum?
So why? What happened? We should go back. Should we go back? Should we go back there? Are you saying should we go back? Should we go back there?
Yeah.
For what? No. No, come on. There's nobody in the park, my love. Everybody left. Why should I go back there? I'm so happy I left there.
I'm gonna let my shoe there. And be walking there.
Yeah. This girl. You've had enough play. You had 2 hours and stuff. Later you can go outside.
Back here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, my friends.
If they come outside, you can go outside and play. It's fine. And remember, tomorrow, please God, we'll be going out.
We're not allowed to play outside.
No, tomorrow we have to go out, isn't it?
You know what I said? We're not allowed to play outside. We're not allowed to play outside.
Oh, because we wouldn't come back early. When we come back, it will be night time. So,
If they don't come that way,
that's it.
I know you're saying no.
No.
But you always say yes, but I want.
Hmm?
But you always say yes, but I want to.
No. I wouldn't. Why should I always say yes?
Whoever reads their person.
So what do you want me to do? Run? To run? Oh. You're gonna make me win? Okay, let's go. I won. Yes, so what happened?
You need to go club down here.
What happened because the rain stopped? Yeah, done. Okay, guys, so after we came from that park over
Going to
there,
another park.
the rain chased us, and I was so happy we was going home. Here come the sun again,
And look,
and we found another park.
yeah, I
So-
used to be here. It's close to our house.
So look at her now. Here she goes to that other park where I told her there is a helicopter, Rayray. See it over there. So I told her it's only half an hour, and then we're gonna go
Half
home.
an hour was like 10 minutes.
Why did this sun come back out, man?
What?
These kids could really dry you out, eh? Yeah, why? It should be still raining until we get home.
You wanted me to go home?
Of course. I also want to go home. Give me a bag.
Do you wish
Come on,
there
half
was
an hour.
nobody in this park?
Look at your clothes, Lottie. She comes from club, you know. Look at her. You cannot do it. Go up. Let me see what she can do.
Go on this side. I'm just gonna hold up there.
You need to climb right over. Go on, you don't need to be scared. Go on, you always climb. Take your time. So she says she wants to go up these bars. She cannot make it. Look at how she's going back down. You can do it. It's just this.
I'm gonna try this one though. First, I'm gonna go in here and after climb up. Yeah, Mum?
Mm. Coward.
So guys, look. So guys, look. Hang on.
Let go and hold the next one. Oh, you're supposed to swing on the next one, girl. You won't throw me down, girl. Ray's pushing me, guys. You're gonna make me get giddy. Ah. So we are on this spinning thing here, going around and around and around. I'm feeling giddy already. I can't even get up from this. Life of a mother. Huh?
Mom, look. Mom, look. Can
Yes.
you see me, Mom? Look.
No.
My head is stuck.
What's stuck?
Look.
Where?
Yeah, look.
Keeps raining, keeps raining. Go get giddy. You're gonna see what's gonna happen to you. Ta-da! Bye, guys.